Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna crochet this pattern. You can make cardigan, blouse, baby blanket, so many things with this pattern you can make. So it's so pretty and so easy. I will show you step by step. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5. This pattern multiple 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 7 sorry 17 18 19 20. So 20. Make any size. You can make cardigan, blouse, whatever, lots of things you can make with this pattern. I have 20 chains. I need to make two extra, so I have 22. So whatever, make 10 10, then plus 2, then plus 1 more. So this is not countable, this last one. So yarn over, I'm gonna make in second stitch double crochet. So just this one stitch, 2 3. For example, you should have 52 42 this double crochet. Okay, include this first one. This which I made chain 1 does not include, just double crochet. I have 3 now. 4 5 6 7 8. So 9. I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Viewers, I have 22 double crochet. Always chain 3, turn. So from here 1 2 3 in the fourth. This first one I'm gonna make in the fourth. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 double crochet, yarn over, 1 2 3 4 in the fifth. Make again 1 2 3 4, then 5. 1 2 3 4 in the fifth. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 and the fifth. 2 3 4, then 5. So last you should have 3 stitches left, because you should have in the this is the fourth one. 1 2 3, last one I'm gonna make one double crochet there like this. So you can see so pretty button. Chain 3. So each stitch I'm gonna make, repeat this again. You should have include this chain 3, 22 3, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Then last one, 22. Chain 3. Again 1, 2, 3 in the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fifth now. Two, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So it will go like this in 2 rows. So you should have 3 stitches at the end. Last one, make like this. Again chain 3. So I'm gonna continue like this. You can see I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop my model. You can see it's so easy and beautiful. I hope you can understand this pattern. It's so easy. Even beginner can make this pattern.